I realized recently that I have a very generic face. Okay, a lot of people look like this. It's the same face, and all of them are way more famous than I am. Some of them are not even real. Like recently, this guy came up to me and he was like, "You look like Sharman Joshi from Three Idiots." Not regular Sharman Joshi. Just the most depressed character he's played in a movie. That guy was too depressed, dude. He was too... if you've seen Three Idiots, he jumps from the third floor. How can you look at that? How can you see him jumping and then be like, गिरते गिरते गोविंद लग रहा है ना? Dude, ये लेटा हुआ रहता है क्या गोविंद दिखता है यार? It's great, dude. I don't know what to do, man, about looking like other people. I tried to look different from these people, okay, by trying to grow a beard. But that's when I realized I can't grow a beard. I really can't. Like, I'm 32 right now, okay? I turned 32 this year. And I started growing a beard this year. I didn't start, it came this year. 32 is too late. I'm sorry, 32 is too late to start growing a beard. In fact, it's so late that when I started growing for the first time, 2 months pehle, when I started growing for the first time, okay, when it came for the first time, it came out directly grey. I missed black entirely. How did I... That's most of a beard's life. I just skipped that. Just salt. There's no pepper. Just salt. Fucking weird. I knew it was too late because I told my friend recently. I was like, "Bhai, दाढ़ी आ गई मेरी finally." And he was like, "हाँ, मेरे nephew की भी दाढ़ी आई है अभी." I was like, ये sentence मैं वापस कभी नहीं बोलने वाला. कैसे तेरे 15 साल का nephew और मेरा एक साथ कैसे दाढ़ी हो गया यार? This is just sad. But I've always wanted a beard, okay, throughout my life. This is all I've wanted. I wanted a beard because of one thing. Okay, throughout my life, I've seen people with beards. They do this subconscious thing when they're talking to people. Okay, they just have to just stroke their beard. There is no reason to do this. Why you do? मैं बात कर रहा हूँ ना, छू क्या रहा है यार? ये कोई टाइम है क्या खुद को छोड़ेगा? इतना क्या मजा आ गया यार? मैं भिंडी की बात कर रहा हूँ यार यहाँ पर. You're like, हाँ और बता भाई भिंडी. And I could never do this. As a person with no beard, I couldn't do this. So I finally found a solution, okay? Now I found a solution. Now, whenever I'm talking to someone with a beard and they're stroking their beard, I also start stroking their beard. अब दोनों को मिला के एक ही है यार. I have no choice. I'm just like, हाँ क्या हुआ तेरे मामा? नहीं तू बात करते रहे भाई, बहुत बुरा टाइम चल रहा था. We take turns. वो बात करता तो I stroke his beard. मैं बात करता तो he strokes his own beard. It's a good system. It's a weird system, but it's a good system. But, you know, when did you start growing a beard, sir? 18, 19? Okay, not bad तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, but like it's still decent. Like, I mean, I'm gonna say something because when I was in school, there were guys in my school who had a beard in school. That is too early. I'm sorry. You can't have a beard in school. Dude, you're in school. You can't have a beard in school, then wear a uniform, and then be like, "Sir, can I go to bathroom?" तो पूछ भी क्यों रहा है यार? सर की दाढ़ी नहीं है, तेरी दाढ़ी है. सर को तेरे को पूछना चाहिए, वो सुसु कर सकते हैं. Power dynamics are different here. I couldn't take them seriously as kids, dude, because they had a beard. So when they said something that a kid would say, my brain couldn't comprehend it. Like, there was a guy in my school who had a beard, and one day he was like, "You know, ये साल तो Red House ही जीतेगा Sports Day." अंकल क्या बोल रहा है यार? ऑफिस जाना है यार, अब क्या है यहाँ पे? तेरा रोल नंबर क्यों है यार? दाढ़ी में खाना अटका है तेरा, ये क्या स्कूल है यार? I don't even think I've hit puberty, okay? I really don't think I've hit puberty क्योंकि दाढ़ी तो आ नहीं रही है और मैंने मेरा आवाज भी सिगरेट फूक के बदला है. That is not puberty. That is Marlboro double switch. Sometimes Godangaram. That is what that is. But now it's been 10 years, ठीक है? And I'm trying to quit now क्योंकि आवाज इतना ही बदला है, आवाज से ज़्यादा बदल नहीं रहा है. But it's tough. It's very tough to quit cigarettes. It's so tough. I tried everything. Nothing worked, okay? But now I'm trying this one thing. It worked for my friends. It's a book. Okay? It's called Easy Way to Stop Smoking by this guy called Alan Carr. Okay, he quit smoking and then he just wrote a book. That's his credentials. But he did that, and it worked for my friends. But the method he uses is a little unconventional. Like usually you quit cold turkey, you don't smoke it again, but here I started reading this book, and in the first 3 pages, Alan told me, like not me, he told everyone, कि I want you to smoke a cigarette while you're reading this book. Just smoke a cigarette while you're reading this book. And I was like, ठीक है अब ये बोल रहा है तो अब seriously author बोल रहा है यार करना पड़ेगा ये कैसे नहीं करूँ यार. So I went down, I got a few cigarettes, I came back home, I lit a cigarette. फिर मैं भूल गया कि मैं बुक पढ़ रहा था. मैं बस सिगरेट फूकने लग गया. The second I smoked it, I was like, मजा आ गया भाई. क्या बुक dude, fuck that book. जब मेरा पैकेट खत्म हुआ 2 दिन बाद, I was like, oh बुक भी तो था यार, बुक ही तो मेन. That was my last book. I quit books. That's what I quit. I just quit books in the end. It's way easier to quit books than cigarettes. सिगरेट हर दिन फूक रहा हूँ मैं अभी भी. But book एक और नहीं छूंगा मैं कभी. Once I quit something, I quit it. I'm also trying to be responsible now, okay, as a 32-year-old. Like I try to put all my work stuff on my calendar. Okay. But I keep forgetting to put anything on my calendar. But here's the weird part. I still check my calendar. Anytime I just have to, someone asks me if I'm free on a certain date. There's nothing on that calendar. The only thing on my calendar are public holidays. वो मैंने नहीं डाला है, वो खुद आया है फोन के साथ. So now if someone's like, hey, are you free tomorrow? I'll be like, एक second, I'll just check. कल तो मैं free नहीं हूँ भाई. कल मेरा पारसी न्यू ईयर बताया. वही है. ऑल डे भी है यार. फक, कल तक पार्सी ढूंढना पड़ेगा यार. कल तक जल्दी पार्सी ढूंढ लेता हूँ मैं. काम है यार मेरा. It's important. But I like my 30s. I like my 30s now because I'm not confident anymore. I know it sounds bad, but it's good. It's good. Trust me. Because in my 20s, I was like confident at very specific things, and that didn't work out well. I'll give you an example. When I was 21, I went to Goa for the first time, okay, with 2 of my guy friends. And because it was 3 guys going to Goa for the first time, we were like, fuck, पूरा दिल चाहता है जैसे करेंगे. And we did. We drove down to Goa. दिल चाहता है का playlist लगाया. And we took with us 40 condoms. 40. Dil Chahta did not say that. We thought Dil Chahta mein bola. Nahi, koi nahi bola. That we added ourselves. We were like, 40 to lagna chahiye. I think 40 to lagna hi chahiye. I'd had sex one time before that in my life, and I was like, हाँ अभी 40 तो हो ही जाएगा ना. इसके बाद अब 3 दिन में तो हो ही जाना चाहिए 40. The problem in our head wasn't कि वहाँ sex मिलेगा क्या. The problem in our head was कि वहाँ sex बंद होगा क्या यार. बीच देखने मिलेगा क्या हम लोग को. ये कितना सेक्स कर पाएंगे यार हम लोग. We used zero, by the way, just because we were broke, dude. It's not like we could afford our own rooms. We were sharing one room. We were sharing one bed. I don't know what our plan was to use any condom or how we were going to use any condom. If one of us had sex, if just one of us had sex, the other 2 would have to watch. It's not even sexual, they just have to watch. अब जबरदस्ती का कक बनना पड़ेगा यार यहाँ पर. It's just a problem. हर कोने से व्यू तो बैठी है ना यार. वो इतना सा तो रूम है यार. 40 isn't even divisible by 3. The maths is wrong here. 2 people use 13 condoms, 1 person uses 14 condoms. We calculated further. Okay, we calculated further and we realized that we were there for 3 days. We had to use 4.33 condoms every day. That was the calculation. That's an insane itinerary. I'm sorry, you can't. What is this itinerary? It's just breakfast, sex, lunch, sex, snack, sex. उसके बाद भी 0.33 बच जाएगा यार. 0.33 सेक्स कहाँ से करूँ मैं. यहाँ 1 सेक्स नहीं हो रहा है यार. मेरे से 0.33 सेक्स भी कर लूँ मैं. The thing is, we weren't even allowed into bars. Okay, like the first phase of our plan wasn't working. We tried entering a bar. Okay, we tried entering one bar, and the bouncer was like, "Nahi." And we were like, "Why? Is it because we are stags? It's because we 3 guys." And he was like, "वो तो है ही." और तुम लोग के हाथ में 40 कॉन्डम है. थोड़ी अलाउ कर, गोवा है तो क्या हुआ है यार? There are some rules in this place, man. You can't just walk around with 40 condoms in your head. हाथ में लेके घूमना पड़ता है, पॉकेट में नहीं आता 40 condoms. Issue. Just a fun fact for you guys, नहीं आता. 20 आ जाता है, 20 आता है, but 40 नहीं आता. Took our condoms from Bombay, okay? Like we took it from Mumbai before driving down to Goa because we were like, what if we don't get time in Goa, dude? Time नहीं मिलेगा भाई, यहाँ से लेते, time नहीं मिलेगा. Time तो था, time ही था actually. Time और 40 कॉन्डम ये थे हमारे पास, 2 चीज़ें और 2 पैरासिटामॉल क्योंकि पैसे खत्म हो गए थे कॉन्डम में, तो 2 ही जनों को सर दर्द हो सकता था. तीसरे बंदे को सर दर्द हुआ, we'd be like थोड़ा सेक्स कर ले भाई, अब वही है यार, थोड़ा कॉन्डम यूज़ कर ले. On our last day, okay, we were on our last day of the trip, and on the last day we met an NGO, okay, who were promoting safe sex, and they gave us 5 more condoms. We came back with more condoms. And they even told us, they were like, hey guys, I hope you guys are having safe sex. I was like, dude, you have no idea how safe we are being. We're not having only, that's how safe we're having this sex. It's horrible. But the worst thing, okay, the worst thing that happened to us happened before and after the trip, not during the trip. Because we were driving to Goa, right? And on the way, at the border, a cop caught us. Okay, and he was like, 3 लड़के दिख गए, गांजा ही होगा अंदर. And he opened the door, he was like, गांजा आएगा. And he looked, he was like, 40 condom लेके घूम रहे हो क्या? That's not the worst part. That's not the worst part. The worst part is, on our way back from Goa, the same cop caught us again, and he was like, ये बढ़ कैसे गया भाई? 45 कैसे हो गया यार? This is horrible. But the only good thing was that now at least the condoms were divisible by 3. That's great. 45 is divisible by 3. Thank you. I know maths. Thank you.